Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Facebook friends by location. All you have to do is search by tap on search icon at the top of your screen and search anything here, for example a people, and here you can tap again people, or you can use a search icon or filter icon. You can filter by city, so you can find city here, for example Sydney, Australia. You can tap it and then show results. So you can, sorry, we don't find any people matching this search. So you can try again, for example Mike, Michael, and you can tap people and filter by location here and show result. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.